Welcome to IndustryX. In this video, we will walk you through the IndustryX Suite setup process, which is one of the most critical steps in configuring your system. This setup lays the foundation for your operations, including organization structure, warehouse configuration, and basic master data. Let's begin by creating the organization. On the organization setup screen, the highlighted fields are mandatory, while the remaining fields are optional. Please ensure all required information is entered accurately before proceeding. Once the organization is created, the next step is to set up the warehouse, where you will define your storage location within the system. Note that while entering the warehouse ID, it's short and unique identifier, and also any ID cannot have spaces, and after completing the warehouse, then configure the selling unit, which determines how products will be sold and managed within the system. Then you have to create the system admin. Then you proceed to create your first customer and first product. Please note that customer and product creation is optional at this stage and can also be completed later. Once all required configurations are completed, first again verify all things, then click on the Complete Setup button to finalize the IndustryX setup process. With this, your system is successfully initialized and ready for further operations. Thank you.